Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Unfortunately, it's hurricane time.
After any type of storm, hurricane, blizzard, or whatever you have that may take your power away, your electricity away, and you need a way to cook food, your stoves and ovens are not working, especially if you have a electric stove. One thing you can always do is use a barbecue grill, not only to cook the meat, but you can put food in a pot. Take that pot, put it on that grill to heat it up, get it cooked. Make sure you have your charcoal or your propane or whatever you need prior to the storm, and you should be good to cook.